Hello friends, today I'm going to talk about the performance of Dalal Street in the year 2021. Big gains on the National Stock Exchange Nifty 50 and the Standard and Poor's Bombay Stock Exchange Sensex, with both the indices performing 8 out of 12 months. And that made the frontline indices up 24 and 22%, biggest move after the year 2017. Talking about the global indices, Nifty outperformed all the indices except for the cap, which is of course the French index and the Standard and Poor's 500. And if we adjust for the currency depreciation on the US dollar front, then still Nifty was up 22%. Also the year when FIIs pulled close to around $12 billion from our market. If we talk about the sectoral indices, small caps up 59%, mid caps up 46%, Nifty Bank up 13.54%, Nifty Metals up 70%, PSU banks up 45%. Steady she goes, the Nifty IT climbing all the way up to 60%, and the underperformance was in Nifty Pharma up 10%, FMCG up 10%, which is lower than the frontline indices. Talking about the individual stocks, Tata Motors gave a return of 213% considering the weak global auto sector due to the semiconductor and chip shortage issue. And of course, being a share with differential voting rights, it gained more than its ordinary share. Wipro, Adani Enterprise, Tata Steel among the stocks who clocked good gains. And the losers stood between -3 and -21%. Biggest loser being Hero Moto down 21%, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories down 6%, Kotak Mahindra Bank down 10%. It was the mid-caps who took the breath away, gaining anywhere between 189% to 232%. IEX up 232%, Tata Elxsi up 220%, IRCTC up 189%, and the big gains being reserved for smaller names. Tata Teleservices up 2500%, Saregama Limited up 531%, Adani Total Gas, Acrisol Limited, all of them would have taken your money anywhere between 3 times to 25 times. The year full of IPOs, 63 IPOs in 2021, and in terms of the amount raised, 1 lakh 18,000 crore. That was the highest amount of ever raised in a calendar year, and handful of stocks at least doubled the investors' money. Nurica, PDSTL, MTR Technologies made a serious amount of wealth for the investors, with 389, 324, 297 odd percentage increase. And unicorns like Nika, Zomato doubled from their issue price on the listing day itself. And stocks like Cartrade, Paytm withstood with a cut of 48 and 38%. And this was the wrap up for the year 2021. Thank you.